Are we oriented how to deal with patients during this pandemic? Do we know how to correctly wear and remove PPE kits, gloves or mask or face shield? Hello everyone, welcome to the video. As we all are aware about the present scenario, WHO has declared COVID-19 outbreak as global pandemic. And for the same, they have developed online WHO courses on COVID-19 to mollify the spread of coronavirus. As most of us works in hospital setups or clinics where we have to deal with patients in daily routine, thus it's our responsibility to take all the precautionary measures to safeguard them as well as us, and also to curb the further spread of this coronavirus amongst the general public. To encourage and motivate every registered RCI professional, RCI has decided to award 50 CRE points if we undergo these courses. So curious to know what's the procedure and how do we submit to the RCI to avail the 50 CRE points? Let's just begin. Chairperson RCI, Madam Shakuntala Dole Gamlin, IAS, DEPWD, in her DO letter dated 20 May 2020, addressed to all the certified rehab professional, recognized training institute, university departments, national institutes, CRCs to encourage their faculty members, non-teaching staff and supporting staffs to undergo WHO online courses. The active participation of institutions and other stakeholders will be appreciated by the RCI, giving additional reward points during the assessment of their course due for extension. The Council has decided to award 5 CRE points and additional 10 CRE points for visually impaired professional for minimum of 1 hour of each WHO online course. There would be an overall ceiling of 50 CRE points for each professional. List of the courses to be done is attached within the letter. Last date to avail maximum CRE point is 30th June. Another letter was issued by the Member Secretary RCI, Dr. Subodh Kumar, dated 29th May 2020, in which the important guidelines that need to be followed by every rehab professional is clearly mentioned. All the certified rehab professionals have to complete minimum 10 WHO course out of 12, and course number 1 and 6 are mandatory for all. Only one course can be done each day. If the e-certificates issued by the WHO have same date on more than one course, then it will not be considered for crediting CRE point. After the completion of all the 10 WHO online course, we have to submit the details. All 10 e-certificates should be submitted to the Council on the prescribed format, which is enclosed with the letter through email. Email ID is mentioned in the point number 3. After the submission, separate certificate for award of 50 CRE points will be issued by the Council to the rehab professional, which will be considered as a valid certificate for renewal of registration of the candidate. In the proforma, we need to give the basic details about us and about the courses that we did. This filled proforma needs to be attached with the PDF, which will have the compilation of all the 10 e-certificates issued by the WHO and needs to be mailed to the Council. The email ID is regrcidepwd@gov.in. It's been clearly mentioned in the letter in the point number 3. One important note, the name of the PDF file should be WHO followed by your RCI CRR number. Now here's a short orientation about how we can access these online courses. There are basically two modes for doing this WHO online course. First is through the browser and the second is through the official WHO app, which is easily available on Play Store and App Store for both Android and iOS users. It's really convenient to do the course using WHO app. Firstly, we have to download the app from Play Store or App Store. Then, we have to make a profile on the WHO app using our email ID. Next, we have to click the channel option. We'll get a display like this on which different online courses will be there. We have to choose COVID-19. By clicking the show more option down below, we can access all the new courses related to COVID-19. Each course is available in 6 different languages. By referring the list of the course as per RCI letter, we have to choose that particular course and enroll ourselves. The moment we'll enroll, we'll receive a confirmation email by WHO. So now we can proceed with the course. The next display will be like this. So in linear order, we have to start and go through every module. After each module, assessment will be done. The passing criteria for each course is different and well explained in the letter issued by the RCI. Assessment for each module will be in form of MCQ. Modules can either be in form of PPTs or videos. After submitting the answers, we'll get the results within seconds and we can check which answer is correct or incorrect. If in case the passing criteria is not matched in first attempt, not to worry, we can go for the retake quiz option and attempt it all over again. By clicking the option progress, on the top, results of each module can be checked. Once the passing criteria meets for all the modules of that particular course, then we have to just go on the certificate option and click the download. Our e-certificate will be issued by the WHO at that very moment. Once we are done with all the 10 courses as per RCI letter, we can access all the e-certificates on the homepage. It's a golden opportunity given by RCI. We can get 50 CRE points free of cost, just sitting at home. Let's avail the benefits and make the most out of it this pandemic and prepare ourselves to safeguard us and as well as person with disability. I hope the video was informative for all of you. So thank you and see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and be safe.